Radio Météo Canada. Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme et d'affichage des nouveaux récepteurs radio météo.
Forecast for the city of Calgary.
So here we have the WR300, the record weekly test scroll, of course. Here we have my corrupt CO100. You can't even see the scroll, but here, enjoy it anyways. Excuse me, I burped. Here we have the Max and WX80. This is weekly test. And it just says the same on here. The Recom R1650. This is my version 2 Midland WR100. Required weekly test scroll, of course.
You have 100 message.
Shut up. Required weekly test. Is that it's same for this one too. I'm not gonna go into. But here we have the 12993. Yeah, I forgot it for a second. Okay, so that's basically all for now. Thank you for watching.